Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's SOCAIL. Today we are getting into this half up, half down ginger ombre ponytail. You know, this ginger look is like really in right now for the fall season, and so I really wanted to do it. It's like I did like ginger ombre, so it's kind of reddish at the top and then it gets like ginger towards the bottom and it gets a little lighter. I love this color. It came out so nice. My girl Derica Denise, I will tag her below, she colored the hair and we did the roots dark so it can match like my natural hair, and then she put the color at the bottom so it blends perfectly. I absolutely love it. It looks like I went to the salon, okay? Like, I did that. Like, I ain't even gonna cap, you know what I'm saying? I slayed this look. Like, I look salon ready, okay? Like, I look like I just came fresh out of the salon on a Saturday afternoon, you know what I'm saying? I love it. So let's get into this video.
So first I'm going to start off with my freshly blow dried hair. I'm just going to start by sectioning off the top half of my hair that is going into the ponytail. Now I just want to make sure that the leave out that I'm leaving out is going to blend with the hair color. So that's what I'm doing. I was just double checking. So now I'm going to take just a slither of hair to leave out to cover up the tracks at the top. Super skinny slither. It doesn't need to be like huge or anything, as you can see. Now I'm going to take the bottom half of my hair and start braiding that straight back into cornrows. This is so I can clip my hair extensions onto the cornrows, which is going to be my bottom half of my half up, half down ponytail. The braids don't have to be perfect. You just need straight back cornrows so you can clip the extensions onto the braids. Next, I'm just going to take the ends of my braids and crisscross them in the back of my head and pin the ends on the sides of my head. I'm just using pins because it's faster and easier. You could sew it if you want to keep this looking for a long time, but I was just leaving this in for a couple of days, so I decided to just pin it because it's quick and easy. But you could definitely sew it. That is an option as well. So now I'm just going to take my hair bundles and use my self-fit clips that I got from Amazon. And I'm going to double the tracks and measure each track to the back of my head. And then add the self-fit clips onto the tracks. Like I said, you totally have the option to sew the tracks to the back of your head instead of clipping them in with the clip-ins, but like I said, it's just faster, it's easier, and it's super quick. Just so you know, it's super challenging putting the self-fit clips on the tracks when you double them because they're really not made to be doubled. As you can see, I'm struggling using my teeth trying to attach the self-fit clips to the tracks. But once you get all the clips onto the tracks, you want to clip the tracks onto the back of your braids all the way till you get to the top. So this is what it looks like when you clip all the tracks in. And that's why we left a slither of hair at the top to cover the tracks at the top. So now I'm just going to brush that out, and it should blend with my tracks because I left the roots of my tracks at the top dark, so it kind of just looks like I have dark roots and color at the bottom. It should just blend perfectly. So as y'all know, I'm normally team natural and I don't like to straighten my hair, but I'm straightening the top half of my hair that's going into the ponytail so I could get a super sleek look.
It should just burnt my hair off.
Is it too hot?
There's not a setting on it. It's just an on and an off button. Look at that.
Oh my gosh, Shy.
Okay. Scratch that part. Okay.
Okay, so yeah, don't burn your hair off with the hot comb. So I'm just going to take my lock and twist gel and I'm going to just slick down my edges. Normally the hot comb is supposed to give you a more sleek look, but yeah, I just burnt my whole hair off, so we're not doing that anymore. So I'm just gonna put my hair in a temporary ponytail so I can slick down my top half of my ponytail a little bit more with the Got To Be glue spray. But first I'm going to brush down my baby hairs that I'm going to leave out to slick down later. So next I'm just going to add some Got To Be glue spray, then comb my hair, then immediately follow with my blow dryer on high for an extra sleek hold. This pretty much just molds the hair and makes it super sleek and perfect. I was spraying too much Got To Be glue spray though. You don't want to spray too much because it'll get flaky. That's what I did learn after doing this. It got a little flaky, so you don't want to spray too much. So now I'm just going to take it out the temporary ponytail and re-slick my ponytail to make it super neat and perfect. Now I'm just going to braid down my ponytail and add the tracks to the top half of my ponytail. I'm just going to take the tracks and double them and then take the end piece of the track and secure it with a rubber band and then tie the rubber band to the end of my ponytail. Okay, so this is where I messed up. In my normal ponytail videos, I normally just wrap my hair all the way around till I get to the top. But as you can see, I'm showing you the correct way to do it so the tracks won't slip down the ponytail. I'm taking a piece of the hair from the track after I wrap it a couple of times, and I'm gonna wrap that around at the bottom, and then I'm gonna wrap that piece to the top of my ponytail. As you can see in the video in the upper right corner, I'm wrapping that around the top of my ponytail, and then I'm going to continue to wrap my hair around the ponytail, and then as I get to the top, I'm going to take another piece of hair and secure it around the ponytail and then around the top of my head as well. But in the video on the left, I just wrapped it all the way to the top and it started to slip. So I want y'all to be able to secure your ponytail so it won't slip. And this way, the second way I did it worked out the best and it didn't slip at all. So as you can see, I'm continuing to wrap, and then I'm going to take another piece and wrap that around my ponytail and then wrap it around the top of the ponytail. See, I'm taking a piece, I'm wrapping it around, and then wrapping it to the top. And then I'm just gonna continue to wrap the ponytail all the way around to the top till I get to the very top. And this way your ponytail is just super secure and it doesn't slip and fall down. So now I'm just going to take a piece of hair from the back of the ponytail to use to hide the tracks. I'm just going to straighten that piece and use some Got To Be glue spray to wrap the hair around the ponytail and keep the hair in place. This just gives your ponytail that secured look with the wraparound around the ponytail. It just makes it look more secure and neat and like a cute pony. So this is what my hair looks like before I straighten it. Now I'm just going to use my Pure Lock and Twist gel to slick down my baby hairs and then secure my edges with a scarf to lay down my baby hairs. Now I'm just going to straighten my whole head to finish the look and get my hair super laid and flat. And voila, here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy. I am absolutely obsessed with this look. It came out so bomb.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Y'all, if y'all like this color, add some orange heart emojis down below and show your girl some love. I really hope you liked it. It came out so bomb. Like, you know when something comes out exactly how you imagined it? Like, I just love it. Like, it just came out perfect, and it's such a fall poppin' look. Like, I can't wait to wear some cute outfits with it and stuff. Like, it looks so good. I'm so happy. So anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you like more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. And thank you so much if you have subscribed to me and are rocking with me even through this little breaks that I take here and there. I truly appreciate it, you guys. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.